In this lesson, we are going to create preview order screen. What we're gonna do in this lesson is to create a page like this, and inside that we show all information that user entered in previous steps of checkout. Also, we calculate the order summary in the right panel. To get the source code of this lesson, go to the repository on GitHub, find the commit section, and here we have video 27 create place order screen. You can compare your code with this. Let's get to code. Here is the plan to create place order screen. Let's go to the screens folder and right click new file, place order screen.js. Like previous step, create a React functional component by typing RFC and press tab. And in the dev section, create checkout steps and import it from components folder. After that, it's time to set the title and heading 1 to preview order. Import helmet from helmet async, and then create a row. Inside this row, create 2 columns. The first column is 8 of 12 share. Inside that, create a card like this. And inside card, define card body, card title, set title to shipping, and inside cart.text, show the name and address this order from cart in the store of React context. If user want to edit it, create a link for user to edit. Let's import row, col, and cart from React Bootstrap. Here, row and col and cart. Because I'm gonna use the button, let's import a button too, and also the list group. We will use them later in this code. Also, at the beginning of this component, get a state and dispatch from the React context using use context, import it from React, and get store. Let's move this after this. And from the card, we show shipping address. For the link, let's get the link from React router DOM. Scroll up and import link and use navigate from React router DOM. We use navigate later. Save the file and go to app.js and add this route in the route section. It's place order screen. Press tab to import it, and let's check the results. Here we have preview order, shipping information, name of user, and here is the address of the user. Also, we can edit it and continue, and here is preview order. Let's go for the next section, which is payment. Go to the place order, and here is the code for payment. I created margin button 3 rem and payment section and a link to edit. And the last cart is the list of items in the cart. Here is the code for it. And the last item in this column is cart items. Here is the code to show cart items. I created a cart body, the title of cart is item, and I'm using list group and set variant to flush to create list of items. Inside that, use cart.cartitems.map to convert each item to a list group item, and for each item, create a row with 1, 2, 3 columns. Image of the item, product name, quantity, and price, and create a link to edit the item in the shopping cart. Save the file and check the results. The preview order has shipping, payment, and items. I can edit each of them before placing the order. Let's go to the second column for action. Go back to the call here and create another call. Set the width to 4 of 12 and create a cart body with this title. Close cart body and close the cart. The title is order summary, and we are going to create a list group here. First item in the list group is the item price. Second item is shipping price. Third item is tax price. The fourth one is the order total. And then create the last one, which is a button inside a div with class name d-grid, like this. Let's define place order handler. Right before return, define place order handler like this. It's time to define use effect, and inside the use effect, check this condition. If cart.payment method does not exist, redirect user to the payment screen. The navigate is coming from use navigate. Add cart and navigate to the dependency section to get rid of warning. Right before place order, define a new function named round2. Get a number like this and convert it to this. It just round the number to 2 decimal point. Let's use it to calculate the items price. For items price, I wrap the cart.cartItem.reduce function inside the round2 to convert it to this format. And inside the reduce function, like what we did in shopping screen, we calculate sum of quantities multiplied by prices of all items in the cart. For shipping address, I'm gonna use this trick. If item's price is greater than 100, make it 0. Otherwise, make it 10. I use round2 here too. For tax price, I'm using 15% tax price on the item's price, and the total price is very simple, just by summing up items price, shipping price, and tax price. Save the file. Here the items price is this, so the shipping is 0, the tax is this, and here is the order total. So we successfully created preview order screen, and for the next lesson we implement place order. Let's review what we did in this lesson. In the app.js, we added place order screen, and in the place order screen, we created preview of the order, including shipping address, payment method, and items in the cart. And also here, we show the order summary by calculating items price, shipping price, tax price, and order total. That's it about this lesson. Until next lesson, bye-bye.